Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there's an active subscriptions on this account that requires at least one payment method on your iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that you have any active subscriptions on your Apple ID, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to open your settings, then you have to tap on your Apple ID and then go for subscriptions. And here you will find all the subscriptions you have. If you have any pending dues or payments for any subscription, so first of all you just have to pay for that, or you can try to cancel these subscriptions, and after doing that you just have to go back and your issue will be fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you and your issue will not fix, you just have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can use your browser and search for Apple Sport, and if open the first website, but I'm going to use my Apple Sport app, then tap on your iPhone, then select subscriptions and purchases, select view, change or cancel subscriptions, and here you just have to select the option of get more help, select call list. Now you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted with the Apple Sport team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and the issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.